Welcome to a brand new section, networking. This topic is about enabling your Python programs to communicate with other computers, whether that's downloading data from a website, sending an email, or even creating your own custom client-server applications. 1. What is networking? In simple terms, networking is the process of exchanging data between different devices across a network, typically the internet. Every time you open a web page or send a message, you are using networking protocols like HTTP or TCP/IP. Our goal is to make Python the client or the server in these exchanges. 2. High-level networking. urllib.request. Python provides several easy-to-use modules for common tasks like downloading files and web pages. The standard library module urllib.request is one such high-level tool. It handles all the complex protocol details for you, letting you fetch data with just a few lines of code. We will use this module first to quickly grab content from the web. 3. Low-level networking, socket. For building custom servers, real-time client applications, or simply gaining deep control over the network connection, we turn to the socket module. Sockets provide the foundational mechanism for network communication. Learning sockets lets you define how data is transmitted, giving you the power to create almost any type of network application. Networking in Python involves two main approaches: high-level tools like urllib.request for simple web tasks, and low-level tools like Socket for building custom client-server applications. Our next lecture, 27.02, Downloading HTML. See you there.